Hello guys, today we would like to introduce to you our puppy named Rocky. This is Rocky the first day we saw him, and here he's really little and really cute. And here he's only 2 months old.
Yeah, this is the first we got him. He looked tired and always want to sleep.
So the first day we were very excited, so we bought him a lot of toys and also his little red bed.
He always stay with us.
On the first days, he just really wanted to sleep all day and eat.
He always stay with us, so we bring him wherever we go in our adventures.
So what we do is we put Rocky in a bag and we ride on the motorcycle and go to our destination.
He is like a positive hairy balls and always give us positive energy. And he always wiggle his tail.
Before, when I first see Rocky, I always think, oh, this could maybe a gift from God. So since he came, I always feel more grateful and happier every day.
Because he always near us, he is very polite dog. Even when he pee, he always go outside.
Since he was a baby, he's really have this characteristic of being brave and adventurous. He is a fearless puppy.
He is such as a polite dog. In that moment, I say to myself, I will take care of Rocky like our son.
Rocky is a very happy puppy. He always likes to listen to music, and also really, you can see here his facial expression. He enjoys riding with us in the car, and he likes to dance actually, wiggling his tail.
Yeah, he always happy, especially if we open our window. He look outside, and it's like he is telling us, thank you for this fun trip.
The thing that he likes, I believe, is when we open the window car and play music. What? You wanna pee?
And
Let's go.
when he want to pee, he always telling us. He's such a good puppy. He always biting us to show that he want to play with us. We always take picture when he doing something really funny. This is our first picture with Rocky, guys. He's such adorable puppy, you know.
Rocky loves being hugged also, so we hug Rocky almost all of the time, and we play with him. So we bring Rocky everywhere we go, even it's in a pool or in the forest or on the hills or in the cafe. It makes our trip more fun and memorable. So every time I see Rocky, I always reminded to always be happy and live in the moment. Always live in the present moment and appreciate things that surround me in the present.
Having Rocky is like we have raising a kid. He's like already like our son for us. He drink a lot, He is playful. He always play everywhere. It's like he never gets sad. I learned from him to always happy and enjoy every single moment. And when he sleep, he's really sleeping.
Whenever he sleeps, he always wants to be with his toys and his pillow. Rocky loves music, but sometimes he is scared of piano. So this is Rocky now. He grows so fast. He is now 4 months old. He is now really big, like he's not a puppy anymore. One of his favorite toy is a bucket, and he just gonna bring it and put his head inside it, and he's already happy about that.
He always give vitamin every morning, and he really like to go sunbathing every morning.
Yes, that's true. He is very active and very friendly and very playful. Rocky always wants to play with Axel. Axel is 7-year-old dog and a really big dog.
He is sleeping with his favorite lullaby music.
The moment I play this music, he will immediately fall asleep, and he always likes to sleep with his moon pillow and also his blanket.
And after a few minutes, he will sleep like Superman. He always stretches his leg like he is flying like Superman.
Rocky always waits for us when we are working out until he falls asleep.
And when he eats, he never picky. He always eat everything. He is eating like us, guys, like vegetable, meat, even a fruit. So this is Rocky, 4 months old.